Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to allow only people you follow to see your birthday on the X app. This simple customization helps maintain your privacy while sharing personal details with those you trust. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once it's launched, navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. Next, tap on the Edit Profile button. Here, you'll find various options for updating your profile information. Scroll down and tap on the Date of Birth section to access the settings for your birthday visibility. Under the Who Can See This section, you'll notice two options, month and day and year. Let's start with month and day. Tap on it and select People You Follow. This ensures that only those you follow can see the month and day of your birthday. Now, move on to the year section. Similarly, tap on it and choose People You Follow. This will restrict visibility of your birth year to people you follow as well. Once you've adjusted both settings according to your preferences, tap on Continue and Save. Your changes will be finalized, and now only people you follow will be able to see your birthday details. Congratulations! You've successfully customized your birthday visibility settings in the X app. By following these steps, you've taken control of who can view this personal information, ensuring a more private experience while staying connected with those you trust. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this.